Hello everyone. My friend asked me if I could take a look and possibly repair his boat. He struggled with the drain plug leaking water since he acquired this fishing vessel. The original plug has threads of 1 inch diameter by 14 turns per inch and is not possible to come by anymore. Now this boat is 70 years old, and according to my friend, boats are not even made like this anymore with drain plugs on the floor. Instead, they put them on the back wall, which in more specific terms is called the transom. First step of this repair is to remove the old threaded plate by drilling out all 6 of the aluminum rivets. Need I to say that chances of finding the right size rivets are also minuscule? Next, I am using this plate to make a new aluminum blank 1/8 of an inch thick. Whole pattern is carefully transferred and edges are filed smooth. Now the rivets. I'm going to use this 1/4 inch aluminum rod and turn it on the lathe to 3/16 diameter rivets and chop them long enough so that they will be sticking out approximately the height equal to their diameter above the stack of aluminum material being riveted together. Once everything is cleaned and dry fitted and looks like it might go together, the marine grade sealant is applied. Through the struggle of unnecessary fighting with this less than adequate packaging, I was finally able to get some sealant to come out. Oh boy, let me tell you, this packaging is aggravating. It just falls apart and leaks from all ends and really hard to squeeze and apply. Once the plate is seated and a heavy backing is applied to each rivet, we can pound and squish rivets one at a time. Fillet sealant is going to help with waterproofing. The new drain plug is a pre-made half-inch pipe thread brass assembly. First, we use the step drill to make a main bore for the body of the drain flange. Then plot, drill, and tap 3 mounting holes. 1024 stainless screws are used here. Upon cleaning and degreasing of both component surfaces, the dreaded sealant is abundantly applied and the drain flange is fastened to the transom. On the outer side, nylock nuts are installed to ensure these bolts will never loosen up. few final strokes of sealant conclude this repair procedure. Thanks for watching.